we're looking at 10 stocks with real growth potential by 2030. Let's start at number 10, Pagaya Technologies, ticker PGY. Pagaya processes roughly $1 trillion in loan applications every year. They're not making the loans themselves, they're just running them through an AI system that finds credit-worthy borrowers traditional banks would usually reject. At number 9 is Evolve Technologies, ticker EVLV. Evolve makes AI-powered weapons detection that is very different from traditional metal detectors that make you stop and empty your pockets. This is a system you walk through at full speed, and the AI tells security whether you're carrying a phone or a firearm. At number 8 is Inodata, INOD. This company takes unstructured information, things like documents, images, big chunks of text, and turns it into clean, structured data that AI models can actually learn from. Think of them as picks and shovels on the entire AI system. On to number 7 on this list. It's a familiar name for many, IonQ. This company is a bet on what computing looks like when we get to 2030 and beyond. IonQ is currently in the lead, building quantum computers. At number 6 is SoFi Technologies. SoFi is a digital bank many investors are familiar with, but calling this company just a bank undersells everything it does. The vision for this company is one app for everything your money does. At number 5 is dLocal, DLO. dLocal provides the payment infrastructure for the markets nobody else wants to deal with. Global companies use dLocal to accept payments from bank transfers, e-wallets, or cash-based systems, all through a single integration instead of building market by market. And number 4 is Magnite, ticker symbol MGNI. Streaming is taking over television, but ads are still key to monetizing these streaming platforms, and selling those ads is exactly what Magnite does. It's the largest independent sell-side advertising platform in the space, and their connected TV segment is growing fast. And number 3 is Nebius Group, NBIS. They're an AI-focused cloud infrastructure company that builds data centers and then rents out that computing capacity to other businesses. Analyst consensus sits around $157 against a current price near $116. Stock number 2 on this list, Mercado Libre, ticker MELI. Mercado Libre is the e-commerce and financial ecosystem for Latin America that handles payments, logistics, and lending. They've built the full stack in markets that are still in the early innings of digital adoption. Now we are on to the number 1 stock on our list today, a company that most people still aren't thinking about, even though it's been one of the biggest performing names in the market over the past year. This is an electronics manufacturing servicing company that's building the servers, switches, and networking hardware that the entire AI build-out depends on. And that's where the real opportunity lies with Celestica, ticker CLS.